The guys at XPeng could not believe the buzz that came out of the online community when they got a look at Iron, their humanoid robot. To them, they knew that it was not human, but they could not be too sure. The smooth, confident way it moved was so realistic, you couldn't blame them for claiming that it is a human in a suit. Well, they might need to get used to it, because Iron is here to stay. With that in mind, we are going to take a look at what makes Iron such an attraction. Why is it different from every other humanoid robot we've seen? And what does it mean for robotics going forwards? Join us as we take a look at the truth behind Iron. Let's start off with XPeng, the Chinese creators of this humanoid robot. Apparently, they have been recognized due to their futuristic work on electric vehicles, so much so that they have often been referred to as China's Tesla. This year, though, XPeng decided to reveal that they were taking a bit of a different direction with their work on this year's edition of XPeng Tech Day. They did this by revealing Iron, a lifelike humanoid robot that was designed for interaction, precision, and emotional connection. To many, they could see how this was much more than an exhibition or a product announcement. They saw this as a powerful statement that said that XPeng isn't just interested in building cars anymore. Now it seems as though they are also interested in building the next generation of intelligent machines. As such, maybe we could see the release of Iron as something of a success. The way it moved was so graceful that it trended all through the world of tech. When Iron took the stage, the audience could not help but gasp in disbelief. The robot didn't give any hint of that mechanical walk that robots have had for decades. What we saw was a humanoid robot with rhythm, timing, and a sense of intention with every step. In fact, the robot's movement were so lifelike that people were still in so much disbelief. It got so bad that at some point, XPeng engineers had to cut open Iron's trousers to prove that this was not some human underneath the tracksuit. Nope, this was the real deal. As captivating as Iron's movements were, this was not the only amazing thing about the humanoid robot. The entire design of the robot was quite lifelike as well. You would have thought it was a slender woman if he didn't cut those pants open. That said, this is a testament to the design of the robot. Underneath the precise blend of industrial engineering and aesthetic minimalism, you'd find that the robot torso is the container of a compact power unit. That way it is able to give the arms and the legs the balance the robot needs to move so well. As such, you can see how it is designed for stability and dexterity. Let's also remember the head, which comes with the perfect LED design to give it some sense of presence. Looking at the details of this design, it is easy to see how the audience was taken away by this fascinating humanoid robot. The guys at XPeng must be proud. They had just created something that moved so much like a human that it actually felt like a human. Engineering and realism. Looking deeper into the engineering specs of Iron, you can see that its state-of-the-art mechanics and its AI-driven learning capabilities complement its human-centric design perfectly. For example, when you look at all the joints on the humanoid robot's body, you will see that it comes with high-precision actuators that are capable of micro-adjustments. This is important as it gives Iron the ability to imitate smooth muscle movements. Let's also remember that the robot's onboard system is working round the clock to analyze feedback from the dozen or more sensors. That way, it can use senses such as balance, force, and vision in real time. As such, you could say that Iron surpasses the need to follow commands. This is because it actually understands how motion works. You'd find that Iron is capable of such perfect understanding because its AI brain uses reinforcement learning. This is a method that gives robots the ability to practice tasks in a simulated environment as a training method of sorts before they are put in real-life situations. That way, they can replicate what they had just learned. The interesting thing about this is that what we saw on stage during the exhibition was the results of thousands of practice sessions. XPeng decided to train Iron like this because it would help it learn faster than traditional robots. Another bonus of this method is that it will also reduce the physical wear and tear that's experienced by those traditional robots during their own training sessions. Such is the work that goes into making such a perfect machine. XPeng's vision. Building robots like this alongside their EVs shows that XPeng is intent on achieving their long-term vision: the creation of a fully integrated ecosystem of intelligent mobility. That is why, aside from working on the robots and the cars, you will find that they have also been working on flying cars, autonomous driving, and AI navigation, among other things. With that in mind, we can see that iron is there to play its part by representing the next phase of the project in which we will find ourselves in a world where AI meets the physical world. According to the guys at XPeng, this is all being done in order to create a world where humans and technology coexist seamlessly. In the words of He Xiaopeng, the CEO of XPeng, stated that, "The future isn't about humans being replaced by robots, it's about humans being enhanced by them." These ideals are represented in the fact that iron wasn't just put together so that it could move. It was actually built so that it could interact with humans. That is why its facial recognition system is able to identify emotions and respond to them as appropriately as possible. That is why we can visualize a future where people could walk into an XPeng showroom and be greeted by iron in the near future. This would not be some sort or trick or gimmick by then. No, this will be the real deal, and it will be so adept at interacting at that point that it will be able to explain vehicle features and handle customer service requests to the visitors. Reactions. As we mentioned earlier, the internet was filled with a buzz when they got wind of iron. That is why clips of its presentation are trending worldwide today. As expected, there were many excited viewers who felt that it was like watching the birth of Iron Man's assistant in real life. On the others, there were a handful of people who were a bit put off by the terrifyingly real movements of the humanoid robot. Whatever the case may be, it was clear that iron had made its mark in the world. It was so impactful that even the experts were impressed by what they saw. Many of them were even attentive enough to compare it to Tesla's Optimus. They noted that as opposed to Western designs and their focus on industrial utility, iron seemed to be the manifestation of a more human and a perhaps more interactive approach. As such, you can see how it is designed for labor, service, presentation, and maybe even companionship. Implications for the future. The future is bright for iron, and there are many reasons to think so. For starters, you could say that iron could very well be the benchmark for the Chinese robotics industry. In the very least, it tells us that China is ready to ball with the global forces when it comes to humanoid technology. Then there is the fact that it shows that robotics is not limited to places such as factories and research labs. They could actually be part of the greater part of society. Maybe it could even be the robot that helps us create a society where humans and robots intermingle with one another. With that in mind, we must be careful, as the more lifelike these machines come, there is a chance that we may have to sit down and redefine what it is to be human. Till then though, we must commend what XPeng has done with their iron humanoid robot.